Hello everyone, welcome along to the lick of today, and today's one goes like this. It's quite a nice one. Kind of like a B.B. King style one. So it's really A major pentatonic. This one you can think of it. I'm starting on the 8th fret. Then I slide into that C sharp, which is the major third. Then the little pentatonic thing. 5 on the high E, 5 on the B, and then 7 here on the G string, back to 5, and then 7 on the D, and then I'm just curling this 5 here on the G. So